Welcome to the one-page checkout for Shopify store full guide. In this tutorial we will walk you through the process of setting up a seamless and efficient checkout experience for your customers. First, we need to understand what one-page checkout is. It is a checkout process where all the steps are combined into a single page, making it easier and faster for customers to complete their purchases. To set up one-page checkout in your Shopify store, you need to have a Shopify plan that supports this feature. You can check your plan in the Shopify admin panel under Settings and Account. Next, you need to navigate to the checkout settings. To do this, go to Settings and then Checkout. Here you can customize your checkout settings, including the option to enable one-page checkout. After enabling one-page checkout, you need to customize the layout and design of your checkout page. You can do this by using a theme that supports one-page checkout or by using a page builder app. It is also important to optimize your checkout page for mobile devices, as most of the customers will be accessing your store from their mobile devices. You can test your checkout page on different devices to ensure that it is working smoothly. In addition to customizing the layout and design, you also need to consider the payment gateways and shipping options that you want to offer to your customers. You can add or remove payment gateways and shipping options in the checkout settings. Best practices for one-page checkout include keeping the checkout process simple and straightforward, minimizing the number of fields that customers need to fill out, and providing clear and concise instructions throughout the checkout process. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a seamless and efficient one-page checkout experience for your customers, which can help to increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment rates. In conclusion, one-page checkout is a powerful feature that can help to improve the checkout experience for your customers. By following this guide and best practices, you can set up a one-page checkout that is optimized for conversions and provides a seamless experience for your customers.